Hello students, in the last class you have learnt about plane figures. What are the plane figures and how many sides and how many corners it has. So in this video, you are going to learn about 3D solids. So these are the figures of 3D solids. The first one is cube. This is cuboid, sphere, cone and cylinder. So here I have brought all these things to show you, and you need to identify which shape it is, which figure, which solid figure it is. Yes. So which solid figure it is? Cube or cuboid or cone or cylinder? Very good. This is a cube. Okay. Which solid figure it is? It's a cube. And again here I have, what is this shape? Which 3D solid it is? It's a cylinder. Okay, it's a cylinder. Then here we have which 3D solid? Very good. This is cone. What is this? This is cone. And one more we have, that is very good. It's a cuboid. It's a cuboid. And for sphere, cricket ball. You will play a cricket? Yes. So that ball is the example for sphere. So now students, let's learn more about these 3D solids one by one. So now we'll see one by one about these 3D. So now students, 3D solids has length, breadth and also thickness. But plane figures, it has only length and width, but it don't have a thickness. Okay, so let's learn about 3D solids one by one. The first one is cube. Okay, the cube, these 3D solids has length, breadth, thickness and also face, edges and corners. But in plane figures just we have learned edges and corners. Edges are nothing but sides. Okay, so let's learn how many faces a cube has. Okay, so now it's a cube, so let's learn how many faces it has. So now this is the first face of a cube, and this is the second face of a cube. Okay, and this is the third face of the cube, and this one is fourth face of cube. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Now here again one we have, this is 5, and again here one more we have, this is 6. So total how many faces does a cube has? It has 6 faces. Okay, and where these two faces meet, there it forms an edge. Okay, where two faces meet. See here one face is there and here one face is there. Where these two faces meet, here it makes an edge. Okay, and where this face and this face meet here and make an edge. This face and this face meet here and make an edge. This face and this face meet here and make an edge. So two faces meet to make an edge. Okay, now we have counted how many faces does a cube has. Now we will count how many edges it has. Edges are nothing but what? Corners. Sides. Edges are nothing but sides. So let's count how many sides does a cube has. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 edges, and again 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, then 10 11 12. So how many edges it has? It has 12 edges. See here, one more time I'll show you how many edges it has. 1 2 3 and here 4. Okay, now 5, this one is 6. Okay, and this side 7 8. Okay, and now down one, 8 9, here it was 8 9 10 11 12. So total how many edges? 12 edges a cube has. 12 edges. And how many faces? How many faces, students? It has 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Now we'll count how many corners it has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here 4 corners and again down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4, here 4. Means total how many corners? 8 corners. So how many corners does a cube has? 8 corners. So cube has 12 edges, 6 faces and 8 corners. So in the say and the examples for cube are dice. You have seen the dice, yes? So dice is the best example for cube. So let's you find some more example for cube. Okay. So now here we will mark which is the edge, which is the face and which is the corner. So now this is the corner. Okay. And this is the face. This is the edge. Okay. These are the edge. This is the corner and this is the face. Okay. All these are corners and all these line segments are nothing but edges. Okay. Where these line segments meet, there is a corner. So total how many corners it has? It has 8 corners, 6 faces and 12 edges. So now here we have a cuboid. Okay. Cube and cuboid are same. Only the difference between cube and cuboid is in cube all the edges and all the faces are equal, but in cuboid only the opposite sides are equal. Yes. So now the edges, face and corners, how many are there in cuboid? We'll see. Okay. So now this is a cuboid. So this is the one face of cuboid. 2, 3 and back side 1, 4. Okay. These are 4 faces. Now up one is 5 and down one is 6. So how many faces it has? Cuboid has 6 faces. Now we'll see how many edges it has. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4 edges are there. Now down one will see. 5, 6, 7, 8. So here also 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 edges. Now we'll see side one. After 8, this one is 9, 10, 11 and one more 12. So total how many edges it has? It also has a 12 edges like a cube. And again we'll see about corners. How many corners it has? So now see here. This is one corner, 2, 3, 4. So how many corners? 4 corners here and one more side. 5, 6, 7, 8. So total how many corners it has? It has 8 corners, 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners a cuboid has. Next we have sphere. Sphere, I am sorry I don't have a ball here to show you. Sphere is like a ball. It don't have any edges and any corners. It just has one face. Okay, it's in a round shape, so it has only one face. Okay, then here we have cone. Okay, so cone has how many faces? This all circle. Okay, this all is one face of cone and this is a one more face of a cone. So how many faces does a cone has? It has 2 faces. It has 2 faces. And how many edges it has? It has only one edge. This is the one edge cone has. And how many corner it has? It has only one corner here on the top. So cone has 2 faces, one edge and one corner. Understood? So the next one is cylinder. So how many faces does cylinder has? Cylinder has This is the one face, two face, and this hole is another one face. So 1, 2, and this one is 3. So cylinder has 3 faces, and how many edges? This is one edge and this is another one edge. So 1, 2. So it has 2 edges. And how many corners it has? Does it has corner? No, cylinder does not have any corner. Only it has 3 faces and 2 edges. Okay. So now you have learned how many edges, how many corners, and how many faces does all these 3D shapes has. Okay. So in your textbook also they have given in a tabular column like how many faces, how many edges, and how many corners all these solid shapes has. Okay. So this is a cube, has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners. Cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners. Sphere, 1 face, 0 edges, 0 corner. And cone, it has 2 face, 1 corner and one edge and 1 corner. And in cylinder it has 3 faces, 2 edges but no corners in cone. In cylinder. Okay. So now the examples for cylinder. Can you tell me the examples for cylinder? As in the Coke bottle. So it's in the shape of cylinder. It's very good. And you have seen incense sticks box. Some of will be in a cylinder shape. So that will be also an example for cylinder. So just such a example for cylinder. Okay. Then tell me few examples for cuboid. Example for cuboid, juice pocket, like for example fruity. Okay. So it's also might be example for cuboid. Okay. And your textbook, it's also an example for cuboid. Then we have a cone. Example for cone. Cone ice cream you will eat. Yes. So did you observe it that cone? It will be in the shape of cone only. Yes. It will be like this, and above this they will put a ice cream. Yes. So example you can write as a cone ice cream also. Okay. So for next sphere. Example for sphere are ball you can write. Yes. Because ball is in the shape of sphere only. But for example for sphere, wheel will not come in the example of sphere. Okay. It's in the shape of circle, not in a sphere wheel. Okay, so many of you will get confused with this. So I am giving this example. Wheel is not a sphere. Then now you have understood what are 3D shapes and how many edges, corners and faces it has. So now answer these questions. Pick the correct answer. The first one is, I have 6 faces. I am a cube or sphere. I have a 6 faces. Which 3D solid has a 6 faces? Does a sphere has 6 faces? No. So which has 6 faces? Cube. Very good. So tick mark to cube. Then I have 8 corners. I am a cuboid or cone which has a 8 corner. Very good. Cuboid has 8 corner. So tick mark to cuboid. Then I have 1 face. I am a sphere or cylinder. Which has only 1 face? Cylinder or sphere? Very good. Sphere has 1 face. But cylinder has 3 faces. Then I have 1 corner. I am a cone or cube. I have 1 corner. I am a cone or cube. In cube, how many corners are there? In cube, there are 8 corners. So, in cone, how many corners are there? Only 1 corner. So, I have a 1 corner. I am a cone. Mark it to cone. Then here, I have 2 edges. I am a cylinder or cone. How many edges it has? It has 2 edges. Okay, in cylinder, there are 2 edges, but in cone, there is only 1 edge. So it's a cylinder. I have 2 edges. I am a cylinder. Now answer this. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Each of my faces is a square. I am a cube. In cube, all the faces are in square shape. So I am a cube. Right here, cube. Each of my faces is a rectangle. In cuboid, all the faces are in rectangle shape. Yes, this is a cuboid. It's in rectangle shape. All the faces are in rectangle shape. So this is we call as cuboid. So right here, cuboid. Then here we have children love to eat ice cream. In me, I am a very good cone. Then I am like a ball. I am a dash. Which shape is like a ball? Very good. Sphere. I am a sphere. Right here. Sphere. A dice is a dash. A dice is a cube. Dice is in cube shape. So we can write here cube. Then here, this is a textbook activity. You do no need to write it in the notebook. Okay. So identify the following 3D solids. Dice. Okay. Which 3D solid it is? It's a cube. So write here cube. Here it's a ball. Which 3D solid it is? Ball is a sphere. So write here sphere. Then here is a juice pocket. Juice pocket is in which 3D solid shape? Cuboid. So write here cuboid. Then here we have a ball. Ball is also in a sphere. So write here sphere. And here we have a Coke. Coke is in which 3D solid shape? It's in a cylinder shape. So write here cylinder. And here a paint box. So this is a in which shape? It's in cylinder shape. So write here cylinder. So now students, these two you will write in your notebook. This will be the textbook activity. For this also I will send you the notes. So see the notes, then write it. Okay. Thank you.